Hello students, welcome. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about the concept of immunity and its classification with suitable example. So firstly, we know about the immunity. The term immunity, it is derived from the Latin word immunis, means free of burden, that is general ability of a host to resist a particular infection or a disease. So the immunity generally may be defined as the resistance exhibited by a host towards the injury caused by the microorganisms and their products. Immunology is the science that is concerned with immune responses to the foreign challenges and how these responses are used to resist the infection. The immunology includes distinctions between self and non-selves, as well as all the biological, chemical and physical aspects of immune responses. Fundamentally, the immunity is classified into two different types of responses, immune responses to an invading microorganisms or foreign material. Now the first type, the non-specific immune responses, is also known as innate or natural immunity. Innate or natural immunity may be defined as the resistance to an infection which an individual possesses by virtue of his genetic and constitutional makeup. It includes general mechanism inherited as a part of innate structure and function of each animal, such as skin, mucus, constitutively produced antimicrobial mediators like lysozymes, and acts as first line of defense. The non-specific immune responses defends against foreign particles equally and lacks immunological memory. That is, non-specific responses occurs to the same extent each time a microorganism or foreign body is encountered again. Innate immunity is not affected by prior contact with microorganism or immunization. Innate immunity may be considered at the level of species, race and individuals. Innate immunity is inborn immunity of every living organism which is present in that animal because of its genetic makeup. Now the second type, the specific immune responses, also known as acquired, adaptive and specific immunity, that is resistance to a particular foreign agent. The acquired immunity may be defined as the resistance acquired by an individual during his lifetime. During his lifetime. The effectiveness of the specific immune responses increases as repeated exposure to the foreign agents such as viruses, bacteria or toxins. The specific immune responses have memory, that is, remembers earlier encounter with the foreign agents. Now the substances that are recognized as foreign and provoke immune responses are called as antigens. The antigens causes specific cells to replicate and manufacture a variety of proteins that functions to protect the host. For example, the B cells produces and secretes glycoproteins called as antibodies. These antibodies bind specific antigens and inactivate them or contribute to their elimination. Also, the other immune cells become activated to destroy the cells carrying the intracellular pathogens like viral infections, where the virus is infecting the cells, and that's why that cells they are being destroyed by using this specific immune response cells. Now the non-specific and the specific immune responses usually work together to eliminate pathogenic microorganisms and other foreign agents. So, in today's video lecture, we discuss about the concept of immunity as well as their classification with response to their development. Thank you.